In this video, we're going to revisit our lesson on the distance formula, and you will need to listen to a scenario in which you will need to perform the distance formula in order to find the distance between several different locations. You may want to go ahead and write down the distance formula is equal to the square root of the difference in our x values plus the difference in our y values. In this activity, you are portraying a transportation logistics manager for a trucking company that's located in Montgomery, Alabama. This logistics manager's job is to estimate or approximate the number of miles that a truck will travel to make deliveries within a given time period. This is important for cost purposes in a transportation company, so they can minimize costs but maximize their profit. So your job is to approximate the number of miles that this one particular truck will travel within the southeast. You will see many cities that are noted in red, which is where the deliveries will be made. This truck will start out in Montgomery, Alabama and travel west to Jackson, Mississippi. Once it leaves Jackson, Mississippi, it will then drive due north to Memphis, Tennessee. From Memphis, Tennessee, it will then drive northeast to Nashville, Tennessee. From Nashville, Tennessee, its next stop will be southeast to Atlanta, Georgia. From Atlanta, Georgia, it will then travel to Birmingham, Alabama. And then lastly, it'll return home to its hub in Montgomery, Alabama. Now your job is to determine or approximate the number of miles that this truck will travel if one unit is approximately 15 miles, as noted on the left of the coordinate grid. You've already been provided the coordinate grid. Your job will be to determine the coordinates for each of these cities and to approximate the number of miles that the truck will travel from city to city.